Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create database in FaunaDB. So go to official Fauna website and then sign up over there. Okay, and you will be presented with dashboard that looks something like this. Okay, now here is the option to create new database. So simply click on that. Here you have to name your database. Oh, let's say MyDB is the name of the database. We can populate with demo data if you want. Okay, you can click on this help point. It says it can add warehouse data for you with GraphQL schema, so we'll go with that for now. Okay, simply click on save. So once created, it should take us to database, and here you see the custom demo data here that contains customers, orders, products and storehouse. Okay, you can click on each collection here. Okay, all of this is demo data which I checked at the time of creating database. Simply click on customers. It will load few entries like those documents. Okay, so we will expand. Okay, simply click on edit, and here you see it has first name, last name, address, telephone and credit card. Okay, so this is the basic data that you have within your customers collection. Similarly, there is orders. Okay, simply what are the product items that you have ordered are listed here. Okay, so we have like 4 collections and 3 documents in each of them. So that's our database created inside FaunaDB.